Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to Howtify. The following tutorial will show you the process of email transfer from one Gmail account to another. You will learn how to set up POP access in old Gmail settings and perform the migration without loss of significant information. Such cases may need to be used when you need to switch to another email for personal or professional purposes. Enable POP access in your old Gmail account. Open Gmail, old account, settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Now select See All Settings, Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Find the POP download section. Enable POP for all email. Select Enable POP for all email, even mail that's already been downloaded. Choose your POP options. Decide what happens with a copy of that email in Gmail. Stay in inbox, archive it, or delete it. Save changes. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Set up your new Gmail account to import emails. Log into your new Gmail account. Click on Settings. Click the gear icon and check See All Settings. Accounts and import locate the heading. Check Mail from other accounts. Add email account. Click on Add email account. Enter your old Gmail addresses. Type in your old Gmail address and click Next. Import emails from my other account, POP3. Click Next again. Set up POP settings. Type in your username, your whole old Gmail address, password, your old Gmail password. For the POP server, pop.gmail.com, port 995. Check the box for always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving email. Select additional options. Choose whether to label incoming messages or archive them. Finalize the setup. Click Add Account. Confirm email transfer. Confirm new Gmail account. The emails from your old account should appear within your new inbox. Wait for them to transfer. It may take some time for all the emails to appear, depending on how much email is transferred. Refresh contacts and notifications. Notify contacts of your new email. Email your contacts and let them know what your new address is. Update subscriptions and account. Update your email address with any services or accounts used that rely on your old Gmail. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.